We are here today at
the Drawing Room Rocks in Berry.
What a hike it is. It is steep, it is beautiful, and we have a special guest again.
Got a good mate, Tyler.
But don't let go of that tree. That's what we use him for.
Remember that night under those stars when they aligned. My head and my heart.
So the interesting thing about Drawing Room Rocks is about 600 meters above sea level, right?
Just about 600.
About 600 meters above sea level. You drive about 200 meters up, I think, or 300 meters up, and you have to hike the rest up.
It is a pain.
We're feeling it.
I'm a fool for you. I cannot deny the feelings of love your presence provides.
So the terrain does change up a little bit here, as you can see. Tell us a bit more about it, Matt.
Well, you're not wrong, that's not a lie, considering the terrain changes on a rock face not long ago. It was all open. And if you come with me, camera crew, come. If you look up this way, I know some of our viewers have probably seen the Blair Witch Project, right? Does this not look like something from it? Look at all these trees. This is just absolute horror thriller terrain. We're going into a new genre, Ethan.
You gone from nature documentaries last week?
Yeah, when we come across, I don't think we'll come across a kangaroo up here.
I love how you do it. You're just so damn cute. I cannot contain my desire. It's true. Oh, yeah. I'm a fool for you. Girl, you fit like a glove. These feelings of love won't expire.
We're here, I think. I'm really underexposed, but we made it to the top. Oh. This is incredible.
So we made it up here, guys. We are now sitting on the famous Drawing Room Rocks in Berry, and it is one of the best views that we've ever seen, especially here in New South Wales.
I've said a couple of times, I said in the Macquarie Pass video, at least when we went to the waterfall, I may have said it behind the camera, I said sometimes you just need to tuck the camera away for a bit and just soak up the view, soak up what you're seeing, because you can't really believe it. And this is another one of those places that has that effect, because I just got up here and I was like, listen, put the camera down, just want to sit on the edge of a rock and just like take it all in. It's truly incredible. But Tyler, this is your first time at Drawing Room Rocks. How do you make of it?
Well, you in the car on the way here, you said it was the best view that you've ever seen, and you're not lying.
Thank you. I think you're not lying. Quote that is.
We definitely talked it up to give it a reputation, and it played out. So we're gonna stay up here, fly the drone, take some more photos.
Cinematic B-roll, take away.
Remember that night under those stars when they aligned. My head and my heart both realized for the very first time just how beautiful you truly are. Oh, you are. cannot deny. The feelings of love your presence provides. This feels like the start of something so right, but we'll never know until we give it our best try. Oh yeah, girl, you're so fire. The way that you walk and things that you talk about, I'm digging your style. I love how you do it. You're just so damn cute. I cannot contain my desire. It's true, oh, yeah. I'm a fool for you. Girl, you fit like a glove. These feelings of love won't expire. You keep lighting me up. My need for your touch is so dire. You can make stars rearrange. I'm amazed by the change you inspire. Oh yeah, girl, you're so fire. The way that you walk and the things that you talk about, I'm digging your style. I love how you do it. You're just so damn cute. I cannot contain my desire. Oh, it's true. Yeah. I'm a fool for you.
Look to the left, mountains. Look to the right, the ocean. And if that doesn't sell you on coming to visit this place, I don't know what will.
As Matt said, it is an amazing view up here in Berry, about 2 hours south of Sydney. It's definitely a place that should be on your bucket list.
Tyler, how was your day today?
It was amazing. I highly recommend anyone come and check it out.
The man has spoken. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next week.
See you then, guys.
Catch you later.
Just